The journey of Kofi and the wisdom of bridges. In a humble village of Zimbabwe, Mazo, there lived a young man named Kofi. Though surrounded by family and friends, Kofi felt restless, longing for a life beyond the village's borders. Kofi's decision to leave. Kofi's sister, Nyo, pleaded with him to reconsider his decision to leave. Kofi, the village has always been our home, she said. But Kofi's mind was set on seeking a better life elsewhere, burning bridges. In his haste to depart, Kofi quarreled with Elder Kwesi, dismissing the elder's wisdom. "You'll regret this impulsiveness," the elder warned. But Kofi was too eager to listen. The prosperous village. Kofi arrived at the prosperous neighboring village, expecting to find a new beginning. But the reality was far from his dreams. Unable to find work, Kofi quickly exhausted his savings and found himself struggling. The harsh reality. As days turned into weeks, Kofi realized the harsh reality of his situation. The village, though rich, was not the haven he had imagined. Desperate and defeated, he longed for the familiarity of home. Scene 6. The return home. Swallowing his pride, Kofi decided to return home. The journey back was long and arduous, giving him time to reflect on his mistakes and the bridges he had burned. Seeking forgiveness, Kofi arrived home, humbled and contrite. He sought forgiveness from Elder Kwesi and his sister Nya. "I have learned my lesson," Kofi admitted. "I should have valued what I had." Rebuilding bridges. With the support of his family and community, Kofi began to rebuild the bridges he had burned. His journey had taught him the invaluable lesson of appreciating and nurturing one's roots, for they are the foundation upon which we build our lives.